All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, tool hauling stuff from Matco Tools. All right, in case you can't tell, it's a whiskey glass with Matco Tools emblazoned on it and a place for my cigar. Now, my dealer gave this to me. Cool of them, probably won't use it, but it's definitely a little niche item that goes with two of my loves, whiskey and cigars. It's Coke Zero in the glass, by the way, and it's not lit. But we're talking haul from Matco Tools. Now, the other one should be, the other kind of thing I got from Matco that's not really a tool, you should probably be able to have seen by now, and that's that clock. Now, I'm not sure if that's where it's gonna stay, whether I'm gonna shuffle stuff and put it in there permanently, but right now it's just hanging on a hook back there, lighting everything up. I thought it would be cool. I thought it was smaller. No, it's big. It's really big. So that's just a little bit of bling. Thought it'd be cool. May not stay there, but I got that from Robbie as well. But I did get some tools from him as well. They're all kind of a theme, but you'll kind of see what I'm going for. A different set of twist sockets. Now these particular ones are manufactured by AJ Manufacturing for Matco Tools, and they're, hammer on and twist a damaged fastener off. Different sizes might come in handy, different, between all of my sets, they kind of all are a little bit different size. So this complements my Astro set, my Snap-on / Blue Point. When I bought them, they were Blue Point. They've since been brought in-house, so when they get warranted, they go to Snap-on because they're no longer outside manufactured. They're now inside manufactured. So fortunately, I don't have a Snap-on guy, so hopefully I don't need any. But I bought these, and then I got a set of these. Now these are really small. They go from 8 millimeters down to 4 millimeters. And if you've ever had a really small fastener that you can't seem to get to start turning, these are gonna be gold. I tried using it and it wouldn't bite. Unfortunately, it is what it is, but I've only tried to use it once so far. This is very much a niche product that will save your butt when you need them, but other than that, they're just gonna sit in the drawer. So, really tiny. Hopefully, they will come in very handy at some point. Because one of the worst things about most of these sets is they stop at 10 millimeter. An M6 may have a 10 millimeter head, but when you break it off, it's now a 6 mil. So, hopefully this will come in handy for those kind of situations. But I figured it was a kind of interesting little thing I needed to add to my kit. So I hope you like my tool haul / cool stuff from Matco Tools. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. But we're talking haul from